fall is for thick, dark mud splats, terracotta mountain roads, radiant sunsets, kaleidoscopic leaf carpets, and the boldest of adventures. Avoid autumn blues and visit your local Subaru dealership to book today.
Welcome to Elsewhere at Nordic Spa by Nature, a place for those who dream of the perfect summer escape, where you can trade sweaty city streets for an energizing cold plunge, bumper-to-bumper traffic for rejuvenating steam bath, and crowded airport terminals for calming Ulfgus rituals. This summer, embark on the escape you truly deserve and discover that Elsewhere is closer than you think. Visit lenordic.com to book your escape or to purchase a gift certificate today.
What's better than Tim's Rewards points? 2 times the Tim's Rewards points. Use Scan and Pay on the Tim's app from now until September 30th to earn 2 times the points. Pay, earn, and redeem all with one scan. Only on the Tim's app. Canada only, limited time only. Terms apply. See app for details.
Lottery license RAF 1404094. 50/50 license RAF 1404106. 18 plus, please play responsibly.
Buy your tickets in the Chio Dream of a Lifetime lottery. The $3.3 million grand prize package includes the fully furnished, beautifully decorated
in the middle of the road. Are you retarded or something? Why don't you tell me who you work for so I can have a chat with them? I have everything on video, don't worry.
Look at this. Somebody come look at this. Look at this. Somebody come and look at this. Look at this.
Fuck!
I just tripped out, don't just use the juice touch. Like it's rigged up. Warte.
Du darfst da nicht einmal fahren auf der Schnellstraße. Und was du hier machst, wenn da einer über dich drüber rollt, macht es doch irgendwo, wo kein anderer fährt. Ich arbeite auf einer Intensivstation, ich sehe sowas dann. Und ich bin gewillt, dich anzuzeigen, dass du da gefahren bist, ganz ehrlich.
Wo bin ich gefahren?
Auf der Schnellstraße.
Da bin ich schon oft, da hätte ich sogar schon eine
Darfst du
Kontrolle
da
gehabt.
fahren?
Ich hatte schon eine Kontrolle dort.
Nee, da darfst du nicht fahren, ganz sicher.
Hä? Was ein Kunde? Ticker.